How's it going, everyone? Welcome back, and today let's take a look at how you can change the mail notifications on your iPhone. So if you had set a different mail notifications on your iPhone, you want to change it to something different, then here is how you can do it. The first thing that you guys really can do on your iPhone, you got to go to the settings here, and of course you got to go to the sounds and haptics. If you scroll a little down here, you can see there's two options: send mail and the new mail, right? So if you select the new mail here, and if you, let's say, select a specific tone or notification sounds, what will happen every time you receive a mail, either from your Gmail or from your phone mail on iPhone mail, you will hear these specific sounds for that received mail. However, if you scroll down, you can see there's an option called send mail. So if you select that, you can see there's a different types of sound, right? So what will happen every time you send a mail, if the mail is sent from your device, you will hear this specific sound for that mail. So this is exactly how you guys can actually change or set a different sounds for your mail on iPhone. If you still have questions, please do let me know in the comment section for further help. See you all around.